Hello traders, today I'm going to show you another trading bot. It's a new strategy that I have uploaded on my website beriv.pro. So before I begin to show you how this strategy works, I have to show you the website where you can get the bot. So you can go to your browser and then you type beriv.pro and then you load the page. So when you go to the website beriv.pro, the first thing that you see is a dashboard, and then when you see a dashboard, you can scroll a little bit to your right on the top panel, and then you click the Pro Bot 2026. So this is the bot. So before I show you how to trade on this, you need to log into your deriv account, and then when you log into your deriv account, you can then start to trade. So let's start by logging in to our deriv account. So you authorize the application. So when you authorize the application, you go back to the website beriv.pro, and then you can then click again ProBot 2026. When you go to ProBot, so let me just explain the features. So what you see here, we have contract at the top. We have $00. The profit is zero, the win rate is zero, and the trades is zero. So this is a summary of the trading results. So because we haven't placed any trades, that's why you see only zeros. And then the next thing that you see is a contract type. So contract type, you can choose either to sell or to buy. And then there's also what is called entry formation, where is there's bullish and bearish. So after that, we also have after candles. So I will just demonstrate so that you understand these things practically. So what you want to do is you want to trade on a bullish trend. So make sure you select the bullish trend, and then when you select the bullish trend, there's after candles. So we are saying when the trend is bullish, which means when the trend is going up, when the price is going up, how many candlesticks do we want to look at? So for example, if we select two, we're saying when we find two candlesticks going up, when we find the two candlesticks going up, we want to also predict that the next candlestick is also a buy, which means it's also going up. That is what it means. Or you can select a sell, meaning to say when the last two candlesticks have gone up, so place a sell order, meaning to say we are predicting that the next one will be a down candlestick. So the after candlesticks, you can select the numbers from 1 up to 7. So the more you select the number or the highest number of candlesticks, the more the signal becomes stronger. And then at the same time, you may stay a little while before a signal is detected. So for now, let's just use 3. So we want to say when we find 3 candlesticks going up, we want to place a sell. So that's why we have a sell, and also entry formation is bullish, and then the number of candlesticks is 3. So we're analyzing the last 3 candlesticks. If the last 3 candlesticks are all going up, or if they are all bullish, then we oppose the trend. Okay, so the next thing that we see is a chart. So the chart is actually showing the tick price, and those candlesticks, the red ones, they are showing the bearish candlesticks, which means the price is going down, and then the green ones, they are bullish candlesticks, meaning to say the price is going up. So every time when we find 3 bullish candlesticks, a signal is detected. That's why you see there's a status where it says entry detected. All right, so I will go on and click the run, this button, the green one, the run button, so to run the bot. Okay, so it's now waiting for a signal. So when a signal is detected, it will start to place the trades. So whilst we are waiting for the bot, okay, so the first trade has just been placed. So for now, we want to give it some time to place a number of trades, and then we'll go back to check the trading results later. So for now, let's discuss the bot settings. So if you click the settings icon, you see the initial stake. The stake that you want to start with, there's $1, so make sure you put the stake that is comfortable with you. And also we have a multiplier. This is a martingale multiplier, where we are saying if you lose a trade, we increase a stake a little bit, and then when you win a trade, you reduce a stake. And then also have a take profit and stop loss. You can set those if you want to. All right, after that you can click to save. So I hope you understand the multiplier. I also explain it later. All right, you can also change the symbols. If you want to change the symbols, it's up to you. And then we also have a tutorial, and we also have a PDF that shows the trading strategy. It explains the trading strategy in details. So for now, we want to look at that PDF. So I'm sorry, it's a little bit closed by the risk warning, but I will try to reach it for now. But I will make sure this is fixed. All right, so let me zoom it. So it's called a smart recovery trading strategy. This strategy uses a controlled martingale system with a multiplier of 1.5. So we are just giving an example of the multiplier that we are using. Let me see if I can zoom it a little bit further. All right. So according to this trading table, it just explains how the trading will look like. So it doesn't mean the trading results it will match this pattern. Okay, so the trade one and a stake of dollar status. The first trade was lost, and then the payout, which means a loss of $1, and then accumulated profit. So the accumulated profit, we are saying the total profit of all the trades. So when we lose the first trade, we increased a stake to $15 using the multiplier, which means we are saying the previous stake times the multiplier of 1.15, which means the next stake is now $15. And then if you win that trade, it means we now have dollar 3 cents, and then the accumulated profit is now 3 cents. All right, so you can look at this pattern, and by the end of 20 trades, there's a summary here. Let me also zoom it. By the end of 20 trades, with a 50% winning chance, 10 wins and 10 losses, final profit is 35 cents. So it looks smaller, yes, but depending on your initial stake and also your multiplier. But what this simply means is if you just trade without this multiplier, on 10 wins and 10 losses, your result will be in loss, because when you win, you are not winning an amount that is equal to the stake. Usually it's 95 cents, I mean 95%, or sometimes it's a 90% or even less, depending on commission that is applied to that contract. So the multiplier helps us to recover the loss. So if I can go back again to the trading table, if you look at the stakes, every time we lose a trade, we increase the stake. So don't forget, the trades will not follow this pattern actually, but we assume that since it's a 50% win, we assume that by the end of, let's say, for example, 100 trades, you will be in profit, unless if the trading result was not 50% win. Okay, so let me go back to the trading bot. We also have a calculator sorry, the bot is just resetted again because I had refreshed it using when I was opening uh, the tutorial. Okay, we also have a calculator that is at the bottom here. If you click at the calculator, you can make the calculator to calculate the trades for you. You can put your initial stake, you can change your multiplier. For example, if I say my multiplier, I want it to be 25, and the initial balance, for example, I have an initial balance of $100, and the total number of trades that I want to test, let's say I say 50 trades, and then you have two options to test. You can test a 50% win strategy, or you can just randomize the trades. So for now, I just want to use a 50% test to calculate my trades. So this is a table of the trades that have been placed. All right, so what you see, there's a balance. The new balance is now 103 13 cents, which means we have a profit of $3.13 on a win rate of 50%. Okay, so if you clear this table and randomize the trades, you can see sometimes if win rate is reduced, then the profit is also you are in loss. So let me randomize again. You see the loss is 9 cents. Let me randomize again. Okay, the profit is 89 cents. Okay, another randomizing. I want to see on the randoms. Okay, the profit is $3. The profit is $7.41, $5, $2. So you can keep on randomizing if you want to randomize to see how the trading result will look like. So it's up to you to use this calculator. It helps you to determine whether this trading is worth for you. Okay, so let me go back to the bot. So the bot, going back to the statistics, I can see we have 8 trades as of now, and then it looks like we have more losses than wins, so that is why our profit is negative. But as long we reach a point where we have 50% win, 50% lose, like if the losses are equal to the wins, our bot will be in profit. So this is the trading bot just in general. So I think you can try it if you like it. It's worth trying. There's also an icon that takes you to a tutorial if you want to go to the to watch the tutorial on this bot, on how this bot works. Okay, so you can also stop the bot and then change the settings if you want to change. For example, you can increase the multiplier, but you do not want to increase the multiplier too much, because when you increase the player and the multiplier too much, it is going to increase the stakes too much, and if your account balance is too low, you may lose the total amount invested. So for example, if I use a multiplier of 2, and then I save, and then I run the bot again. Okay, so just to not confuse you, let me just clear these summaries of the trading that we already have, so that we start from 0 0. So I'll just refresh the page. So when I refresh the page, I will just check again if the settings are still okay. So yes, the settings are still okay, and then the bot is already running. So let's just give it to run maybe up to 10 trades to see what we get. Alright, so while we're waiting, we do not want to close this page, so I'm just going to explain a few things that you can find on this website. So if you go onto the menu, You can change the themes if you want to change the themes. You can also follow us on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Telegram, Facebook, and also on our WhatsApp channel. To join these social medias will help you in case we post something new, or you want updates about anything that you are developing on this website. So make sure you join the channels. And also we also have the analysis tools, and we also have the bots, the free bots that you can use to trade if you want to trade. We also have the signals. The signals, you can use the signals. Right now I'm not showing you what that. And then you also have cop trade and d trader. We also have mod markets, where we also do a lot of advanced analysis there. And then we also have markets and d cycles. Alright, so again, if you are new to trading, you need to understand that trading is a risk. So you can click the risk warning to read the warnings about trading, so that you do not lose the money that you do not afford. So make sure you always invest the amount that you afford to lose. So for now, let me just uh, fast forward this tutorial. So I will just pause a little bit so that it opens a number of trades, and then I will come back with the results. So at the moment when I'm pausing the video, I see there's a profit of 92 cents, and the win rate is actually low. So with the higher multiplier, you can actually still earn some money using a higher multiplier. So make sure if you have a positive balance, something that is positive, something big, you can use higher multipliers. But if your trading account is too small, you are advised to use the lower multipliers, so that you don't lose all of your cash invested. So also, even if the bot is running, you can also still change the settings if you want to change. For example, if you see that the bullish trend is not giving you the money as you expect, you can always change to a buy. Like you can say, when the three last candlesticks are going up, you can also predict that the fourth candlestick will still go up. It's up to you. You can do something that is uh, worth to you. So do not forget that this tutorial is for educational purposes, and no one is advised to invest in forex trading. It's your choice. If you want to try it, it's up to you. Okay, so back to the bot again. So I had to run this bot from the background, and so that I can wait for it to place at least many trades, so that we can talk about the trading results. So as you can see, I had to reduce the number of candlesticks to one, and also the contract type to buy. So the new trading setup now is, when the last candlestick is bullish, the next candlestick is predicted as bullish as well. So as you can see, the win rate is 60%, and then the total number of trades that has been placed is so far 81, and then the profit is $11.47. So you can just try this bot, but I'm not guaranteeing you that when you run the same bot, you also get the same trading results. So because the marketing conditions differs, and also it differs with time, so you can give it time to run many trades so that you get the best results. So good luck everyone. If you want to try, you can also contact me using the details that is provided on this website, also on this tutorial. And thank you for watching. All the best.